What if the real problem is not the world, but you? Not your country, not your situation, not your past. What if the reason you feel stuck is because you are slowly becoming weak without even realizing it? Look around. So many Muslims feel lost. No direction, no discipline, no fight in sight. But ask yourself honestly, when was the last time you woke up with purpose? When was the last time you felt strong in your mind and close to Allah? This is not just crisis, this is a silent downfall. The downfall is not just political, it is not just economic. It is personal. It's happening inside hearts, inside minds. You scroll for hours, you delay your work, you avoid your responsibility, you keep saying tomorrow, and slowly your confidence dies. You want success, but you don't control your habits. You want peace, but your mind is full of noise, and deep down, you know this truth. You are capable of more, but you are becoming not that person. This creates pain, a silent pain, because you are watching yourself waste your own potential. Let's be real. You are not lazy. You are not distracted. Your energy is being stolen by constant entertainment, by overthinking, by comparing yourself to others. You think too much, but you act too little, and this is dangerous because Islam does not teach weakness, it teaches action, discipline, responsibility. The Prophet Muhammad did not wait for motivation. He lived with purpose every single day. So ask yourself, why are you waiting? What are you waiting for? A perfect moment? A perfect mindset? It will never come. Here is a truth most people avoid. Allah did not create you to be average. You are not created to scroll your life away. You are not created to live confused and weak. You are created with purpose. But purpose is not something you find. It is something you build through action. And another truth, Allah does not change the condition of people until they change what is inside themselves. This means your situation will not magically improve. You must move fast. You must fight first with your nerves, your laziness, your excuses. This is your real battle. So how do we rise again? Start small, but seriously. Control your mornings. Wake up with intention. Pray, not just as a routine, but as a connection. Limit distractions. Protect your focus like it is your life, because it is. Take one action daily that moves you forward, even if it is uncomfortable, especially if it is uncomfortable. This is how strength is built. If you are still watching, it means this message is for you. Subscribe now and start becoming the person you are meant to be, because deep down, you already know who that person is. Imagine this version of you, disciplined, focused, calm. You don't chase distractions anymore. You control them. You don't fear hard work. You embrace it. You feel closer to Allah, not just in words, but in your action. This version of you exists, but there is a price. You must let go of comfort. You must let go of excuses. And more importantly, you must stop lying to yourself. Because the longer you delay, the harder it becomes to change. And one day, you will look back with regret. Regret is heavier than discipline. Always remember that. This dunya is temporary, your time is limited, and one day you will stand in the front of Allah, not with your intention, but with your action. So ask yourself, are you becoming someone you would to be proud to present, or are you slowly becoming someone you are ashamed of? This is your wake-up call, not to feel bad, but to rise, because the truth is simple. Your life changes when you change. And if you truly want to understand why your life feels stuck, watch this next video. It might change everything.